Hello friends, welcome again. Now we can see how indentation affect the Python program. In the above specified program, we can see we can use the if condition. Here if 5 is greater than 2, is 5 is greater than 2, its answer is yes. So if the condition is true, then a related statement in this program 5 is greater than 2 will be executed. We already know that how if condition is work. If the condition specified in the if statement is true, then only the related statement will be executed. In the above example, we can see that value of 5 is greater than 2, so our condition is satisfied here and printf statement will be executed. In printf statement, we can specify the message that is 5 is greater than 2. So in the above program, the message will be displayed because of condition will be fulfilled. So now we can try to save the Python program and run with the help of command line argument. File, then save the file with the help of demo2.py extension. Demo2.py extension on the desktop. Here file will be saved and it's time to run the program through the command prompt. We can use Python, then file name that is demo2.py. Here we can use demo2 as a file name, so we can edit here, that is demo2.py, demo2.py and enter. Here we can see the message will be specified in the printf will be display here 5 is greater than 2. It show we can see the indentation here, like if condition will be specified here and indentation of one tab will be given here. In above example, we can see what happens if we remove the indentation and save the program. File, save, and try to run the program with the help of command line argument. Obviously it will show some error message. We can see that file demo2.py line 2 print 5 is greater than indentation error expected and indented block. Here we can see when we remove the indentation, the program will give the error message. So in order to successfully run the program, we can specify the indentation before the printf. So we enter the one tab and again save the file and try to run the file through the command line argument with the help of syntax Python, then file name and .py extension. Here we can see that the program will successfully execute it and message will be displayed on the command line argument. Thank you very much.